Hi, so I'll be making a GIF tutorial. It was requested because I guess it wasn't clear enough, and I'll be showing you like how to lower the GIF size, I guess. So you need a downloader, like a YouTube downloader or any video downloader, like whatever you prefer. I use RealPlayer. So what I like about RealPlayer is that you can download from any Flash application. Like you can download from, what's that called, Tumblr, like the Tumblr videos. So you go to once you open up Photoshop, you go to File, Import Video Frames to Layers, and then you open the video that you want. The formats that Photoshop uses is .mov, AVI, MPG, MPEG, and MP4. Try to keep your video clip under 3 seconds if you want it to be like smooth looking. You can do more, but it has to be like, if you do more than like 4 seconds, it has to be like really small. Okay, so you can clip your videos using QuickTime Pro. That's what I use. Or you can use Windows Live, like Windows Live Movie Maker, I guess. Yeah. So you go here and you start from the beginning to the end, and then you might want to limit your frames. I'll limit it to 2, and then make sure that make frame animation is checked. For limit every 2, for limit every frame, you might it might depend on how long your video clip is. Mine is pretty short, so I'll just use 2. That's okay. So if I want to make it like those long Tumblr ones, like the maximum like the maximum size for them should be 500, but it wouldn't matter about the height. Yeah. So this is pretty long. So what I'll be doing is a few things you can do to lower your GIF size. You can make them grayscale. Whatever you do to the first one, for the first frame, you have to select all of it. Select all frames. You go here, select all of it, press the visibility button, and all of them will be grayscale. So that's one. So if you just want yours to like be black and white, you can go to Save Left Devices, and then you go here. Make sure you have to watch out for the size of the GIF. Right now it's really big. So what I'll be doing is just like changing it. Oh yeah, it looks like, and then you can change the number. Yeah. So it has a lot of color, so you can go to curves and you can move this around. It'll make it darker, and it can go like anywhere like this. But make sure that you have to select all the frames so it applies to everything. It can be like that. And then Save Web Devices and change if it's big. You don't have to change it if you already got the number that you want. See, now it's 490. Here. So another way you can lower the size is resizing it or cropping it, whichever you prefer. So for resizing, you go to image size, and then just do the whatever you want, and it'll probably come out smaller. Yeah, see. What else is there? You can mess with the lighting a bit, brightness and contrast. Just use, if you want to get the adjustment dialogue thing, you go to Windows and adjustments, and it should pop up. Use this as much, like, use these to lower the color, to lower the size, and yeah. It's another thing. Oh yeah, so adding text to your GIF. So the way you add text, if you wanna, like, you go to the text tool, and then just add the text that you want. Yeah, so then it has, like I said, you always have to select all the frames and then just like make it show. If you don't do that, if you didn't do the select all frames thing, it'll just like, it'll just show up as one. It'll only show up on the frame that you selected on, so select all the frames and do the visibility button. Watermarking, I got a question on that. So watermarking, you can just go anywhere you want. Select all the frames, do the visibility button thing, and you go to the first frame and your text layer, and you could either set it to like overlay, any of these, and or you can set the opacity to be like that. That could also work. I guess that's it. If you have any more oh yeah, so saving, yeah, that's it, probably, yeah. So saving, you go to save for web devices, make sure that you've got the right size that you wanted, and just press save, and that's basically it. So I guess I've shown you. You can ask questions if you'd like. Yeah.